Hey guys, welcome to Tech Time. Today we'll explore some incredible AI powered features in Filmora 14, including how to use the Chroma key tool for green screen editing. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, Filmora's AI tools simplify editing, making it faster and more creative. Let's dive in. Before we start editing, let's talk about the green screen setup. Filmora's AI-powered Chroma key tool performs best with a clean, well-lit background. Use a solid green screen, fabric or paintworks and ensure even lighting to avoid shadows or wrinkles. Proper setup saves editing time and ensures a professional result. Now let's head into Filmora 14 to remove the background using its AI-driven Chroma key feature. First, import your footage into the media library, then drag it onto the timeline. Double-click the clip, check the Chroma key box, and use the color picker to select your green screen. The AI automatically isolates the background, leaving your subject cleanly cut out. Adjust settings like transparency, edge thickness, and feathering to refine the cutout. Filmora's AI ensures precise edge detection, even for tricky details like hair or movement, making your video look polished with minimal effort. Once your green screen is removed, you can use Filmora 14's AI Smart Cutout and background replacement tools to add a new scene. Drag an image or video below your green screen. The AI instantly layers them. Placing your subject against the new background. Want to enhance your scene? Filmora's AI motion tracking lets you sync your subject's movements with elements in the background, creating a dynamic professional look. Now let's head into Filmora 14 to remove the background using its AI-driven Chroma key feature. First, import your footage into the media library, then drag it onto the timeline. Filmora's AI-powered Chroma key tool performs best with a clean, well-lit background. Filmora 14 also offers AI voice tools. With its audio sync feature, you can easily match recorded voiceovers with your video, saving time on manual adjustment. Plus, experiment with voice effects like pitch shifting or AI voice cloning to add a creative touch to your projects. Filmora 14 is packed with AI-powered features to simplify your editing process. AI Smart Cutout precisely isolates your subject without a green screen. AI image detection automatically crop and align images for your video. AI Instant Mood use pre-designed templates for quick edits in minutes. And there you have it, a quick look at Filmora 14's AI features, from the Chroma key tool to advanced background replacement, audio sync, and more. These tools make it easier than ever to create stunning professional quality videos. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Time, and share your favorite Filmora feature in the comments below. See you next time.